Coming to an end here, so I wanted to send a couple of shout outs to the ELSA Foundation. They've helped us out so much. Ben Gonzalez, Trinity Blood, Tony Barragan, congratulations on your nomination. To Peaches and David out there, we see you guys. Everyone here, making Conjunto happen, making music happen. We love you guys so much. Shout out to Atomic Entertainment. And also, I don't know if you're aware, but we got nominated for 2 categories in the Tejano Music Awards. This is the first time ever. This is our first CD ever, so we're like super excited. If you guys get a chance, y'all vote for us, okay? It's Best New Group, Grupo Imagen, and Best New Female Artist, Sylvia Navarro. We would really appreciate it. Leave us some comments on Facebook. We want to get to know you guys and just chat with you. Let us know where you're from. All right, we got another song for you guys. Here we go.